Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm the exact Zmodo camera model and have your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password ready. Plug the camera into power and watch the LED behavior. This tells you it's in setup mode. Install and open the Zmodo app on your phone, then grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can detect the device. Once the app finds the camera, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen prompt to begin Wi-Fi linking. Don't skip permissions. Now, in the app, choose the correct camera type and either scan the device QR code or enter its ID manually. Select your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the apps list. Do not attempt 5 GHz. Enter the Wi-Fi password and use the show icon to verify characters. A single typo blocks pairing. Tap Confirm to send credentials to the camera. Wait through the pairing sequence while watching app progress and the camera LED. This phase completes the bridge between device and router. To finish, name the camera, assign it a location, and adjust motion or recording preferences, then open Live View to verify streaming. If the camera fails to connect, first reboot the camera and router, then re-attempt setup, carefully retyping the SSID and password. If problems persist, switch the app to AP or hotspot setup mode, or perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then retry. One key tip: ensure you're using 4 GHz, not 5 GHz. Many issues stem from that mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.